Morning and welcome. Today, we're incredibly excited to unveil something truly revolutionary. Zoom RTMS, short for Real-Time Media Streams. This is a leap forward in real-time application development. It's designed to redefine your meeting experience completely. I'm Arun Janakiraman, and it's my pleasure today to share the stage with Hyung Lee from Zoom and Zachary Klebenhoff from AssemblyAI. Together, we're bringing groundbreaking innovations to life. Before we get started, just a quick note. Some of today's content may be forward-looking, so please take a moment to review our safe harbor statement. We'll explore how meetings operate today. We'll delve into the significant challenges posed by traditional meeting bots and reveal how RTMS fundamentally transforms this landscape. We'll cover compelling use cases, principles behind our design, and conclude with live demos. Now imagine you're in a crucial meeting, but your participant list is cluttered with numerous bots. It's distracting, confusing, and completely disrupts meaningful interaction. Unfortunately, this scenario isn't rare. It is the reality today. The existing bot-driven model creates unnecessary complexity, awkward user permissions, and lacks clear structure. It is not intuitive or efficient, leading to both user frustration and developer frustration with diminished productivity. It's a three-body problem, as we like to call it. Introducing RTMS, a simple yet revolutionary solution with clear, seamless permissions granted by the host or their admin. Zoom will stream structured, precise media directly to your applications. It's privacy first by design. Meeting hosts stay in control with full transparency and built-in consent moments. No bots, no clutter, just clean access. Today, bots create an experience that does not instill users' trust. It's an inefficient mechanism to access real-time media. For developers, this is significantly problematic and expensive as well. RTMS elegantly streams structured per participant data, including audio, video, chat, transcript, and screen shares through WebSocket connections directly from Zoom to your applications. This significantly reduces latency and optimizes your app's performance. We've eliminated the need for expensive compute on tasks like speaker diarization on your servers. Our streamlined approach lets you, as developers, focus on building compelling, differentiated use cases while accelerating time to market and boosting adoption of your apps. At Zoom, we deeply understand that for you as developers, efficient app distribution is crucial. Distribution directly impacts your app's adoption and success. RTMS dramatically simplifies this by offering built-in user permissions, very clear proactive notifications, and frictionless integration. RTMS dramatically simplifies app distribution via these mechanisms. Hosts and admins have intuitive, robust control over app access. Permissions can be easily managed at the user, group, or account levels. This ensures transparency, clarity, and user confidence. Hosts and admins also have controls outside of their meetings. Whether you want to differentiate between internal or external participants, or if you love a certain app, you can set it to auto start in all your meetings. Imagine clinicians who focus solely on patient care, because RTMS effortlessly captures critical information feeding directly into electronic health records. This reduces administrative burden while allowing more time for those meaningful patient interactions. Sales and customer service teams can access real-time sentiment and engagement analytics during conversations. This means immediate insights and proactive adjustments in real time, and that dramatically improves interaction outcomes. AI-powered transcription and summarization. RTMS delivers instant, accurate transcriptions as conversations happen. No delays, no post-processing. It's built for speed, precision, and multilingual reach. We'll go deeper into transcription shortly in our segment with AssemblyAI. Stay tuned. At the heart of RTMS are straightforward, role-based controls with clear participant attribution and proactive transparency. These design principles that we embody establish clear user trust, and it simplifies the integration experience, making every meeting interaction seamless. Let's now witness RTMS in action. Hyung Lee from Zoom will demonstrate just how straightforward and powerful building applications with RTMS can be.
Hello everyone, my name is Hyung Lee. I am a software engineer on the Zoom Apps team. So you already learned some pretty cool stuff with RTMS, right? But here's the thing, and it might surprise you. It actually takes a few lines of code to get it all working. Like, seriously, it's way simpler than you would expect. Alright, let me jump into the code and show you. So there are two ways we can connect to RTMS. One is by using the RTMS SDK, and the other is through a direct WebSocket connection. Let's start with the SDK approach. Inside the RTMS folder, we got the SDK subfolder, and if we open up index.js, there is where the connection happened. And here just 25 lines of code. That is all it takes to spin up the RTMS connection. Kind of wild, right? You would expect, like, I don't know, 100 lines of something, but nope, just 25 lines of code and you are good to go. Now, if you want a more control, or if you are someone who like to get a bit more low level, there is also the WebSocket approach. So I'm gonna jump into the WebSocket folder and open up the controller.js. We got a couple of event handler here, mostly for start and stops. And in the start handler, we open a WebSocket connection by sending some handshake payload to the server. Then once we connect it, we start listening for the medium messages. And here's the fun part. You can see case 14 handle the audio, 15 is for the video, and case 17, that is for the transcripts. Super straightforward. Okay, let's look at the terminal real quick. As you can see, the WebSocket container is already up and running, waiting for the data to come in. Now, let's take a peek at the sample app that I have put together. It is super simple. You got a start button, a stop button, and a few sections to display the incoming audio, video, and transcript. Alright, I'm gonna hit start now, and we got a response message confirming the connection. Also, if we take a look at the top, the app notifier show the connection is now active. It is capturing my voice, my video, and even transcribing what I am saying all in real time. Let's go back to the IDE real quick. If you check out the console, you can see we are getting the raw data here, audio, video, and transcript. And we are not just getting random blob of the data either. It is structured and real-time streams. Alright, now let's jump back to the UI. As I am talking, you will notice the sound wave is moving. That is because we are sending the real-time audio data to the front end. If you look at the video section, you will see the raw video stream is coming in too, and we are rendering the frames on the fly. And the transcript It's already filling up with everything I am saying, including speaker names, timestamp, and the actual word. It is all happening in real time. So yeah, it handles real-time data, which honestly is amazing if you ask me. In addition to live processing data, we can also post-process everything after the session ends. Let's try now. I will go ahead and click stop. We get a success message and the app notifier also confirms the RTMS is now stopped. Now, the app doing some work in the background, it is converting audio to a WAV file and video to MP4. This part will take a few seconds, so yeah, hang tight for a moment. Okay, and we are done. Let's take a look at what we got. Here's the audio. It is structured and real-time streams, timestamp, and the actual word. And here's the video. And just like that, we capture real-time data including voice, video, and transcript. So yeah, that was a quick walkthrough of how RTMS works. This is just a small and basic example, but you can imagine the endless possibility we could build with it, such as live caption, meeting summary, you name it. I hope this gives you a clearer picture of how easy and powerful it is. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Hyang. Next, Zachary Klemenhoff from AssemblyAI will illustrate how RTMS integrates effortlessly with advanced speech AI capabilities, demonstrating remarkable speed, accuracy, and ease of use. Over to you, Zach.
Thanks, Arun. Hello, everyone. I'm Zach, and I lead our applied AI team at AssemblyAI. At AssemblyAI, we build market-leading speech-to-text models that deliver state-of-the-art accuracy and speed. Our models excel at handling rare words, alphanumerics, and noisy audio environments. We also offer powerful features out of the box, including automatic language detection, PII redaction, and best-in-class speaker diarization. We're built for the enterprise. Alongside our easy-to-use API, we provide unlimited concurrency, no commitment contracts, and full compliance. Next slide. Organizations are building three types of applications with Zoom and AssemblyAI. Post-call solutions for conversational intelligence, such as post-call summaries, scorecards, and follow-ups. Live agent assist solutions, which we'll actually demo today. These support live data lookups, objection handling, suggested replies, and workflow automation, and also fully AI-led solutions with voice agents handling tasks like scheduling, ordering, and complete conversational workflows. This diagram shows how AssemblyAI integrates with Zoom RTMS. When users join a Zoom meeting, audio is streamed via WebSocket to your application. Your app then sends this audio to AssemblyAI for real-time speech-to-text processing. From there, you can power a wide range of use cases, like this demo that we're excited to show you. Today, I'm giving a demo of the RTMS Financial Consultation Intelligence System I built for the Zoom Developer Summit. On the left side of the page, you can see the README from the GitHub repository, and on the right side is the actual app running in action. This Node.js application uses Zoom's real-time media streams to analyze financial consultations in real time. What's amazing is how easy it is to develop with Zoom RTMS. Just a few WebSocket connections, and you have direct access to real-time audio streams from meetings. This system combines RTMS with two powerful AI services, AssemblyAI's new universal stream model for live transcription and Anthropic's Claude model for intelligent analysis. It automatically tracks the faint qualification framework. That's funds, authority, interest, need, and timing, while providing real-time coaching suggestions for financial advisors. This Zoom app automatically pops up when your meeting starts. The dual tab dashboard shows both live transcription and financial intelligence simultaneously. This code is completely open source, so you can clone the repo and test it out for yourself. As the real-time audio data is transcribed, it uses LLM function calling to start filling out sections in this app. Now, let's see a demo with an example call of my friend Griffin and I doing a mock financial consultant call. Good morning, Griffin. Thanks for meeting with me today. I'm Zach from OMZO Bank Wealth Management. Could you give me a sense of your current financial situation?
Hey Zach, I'm 52 and I have about 750,000 in my Blue Trust 401k, plus an additional 200,000 in savings at Sterling Financial. My wife and I always talk things through before making any big financial decisions. Lately, I've been feeling a bit anxious about our retirement planning.
What are your main financial goals right now?
Well, I want to retire by 65, maybe sooner if possible. We've been too conservative. Most of our money is just sitting in CDs and treasury bonds. I'm worried about market volatility, but I know we need growth. We also want to help our daughter Sarah with her 80,000 in student loans from Riverside University.
I understand those concerns completely. Let me ask, if your portfolio dropped 20% during a market downturn, but you knew it was part of a long-term strategy, how would you feel about staying the course?
Well, I'd be nervous, but with 13 years until retirement, I think we could handle it if we understood it was temporary.
Perfect. You have time as an asset. I'd like to prepare a comprehensive plan using our Wealth Vision software platform. Can we schedule a follow-up next Tuesday at 2 p.m.? I'll send the calendar invite to your email. Is it still griffin@gmail.com?
Yeah, that works perfectly.
Awesome. I look forward to chatting soon. Today, I'm giving a demo of the
Oh,
RTMS Financial Consultation Intelligence System. Next slide. Thanks for watching, everyone. Scan the QR code to access all the resources, including the source code from today's demo. In the demo we just saw, the app processes real-time audio using AssemblyAI's new streaming model. But if you prefer to use one of our asynchronous models like Slam 1 or Universal to transcribe the full audio file after the call, we've got guides to help with both real-time and async implementations. This Agent Assist demo is just one of many powerful use cases you can build with AssemblyAI and Zoom, and we're very excited to see what Zoom will come out with next. Back to you, Arun.
thank you, Zach. That was exciting. Oh, and there's one more thing. Before today's launch, we invited select developers into our exclusive developer preview to experience RTMS firsthand. These developers quickly recognized the transformative potential using RTMS to build innovative applications across industries and verticals. Let's hear directly from some of them about how RTMS is already empowering their apps and enhancing their users' experiences. OmniSpeech uses RTMS to identify deep fake audio fraud instantaneously, greatly enhancing the reliability and trustworthiness of their digital interactions. Stream Alive leverages RTMS to eliminate friction and complexity while delivering immediate, smooth engagement that delights their users, while making app development simple as well. Solventum Health uses RTMS to redefine telehealth. They've embedded intelligent, real-time documentation directly into clinical workflows, fundamentally enhancing virtual patient care. Healthy uses RTMS to streamline the creation of compliant clinical documentation, empowering healthcare professionals to reclaim valuable time for patient care. Pitch Hub integrates RTMS into their teleprompter technology, providing real-time AI-powered coaching insights. This significantly boosts user confidence and effectiveness during presentations. RTMS is here. It is ready to empower your innovations. We've put together a great list of developer resources for you. Later today, you'll hear more from my colleagues in the Track 1 session on real-time AI for the enterprise. Welcome to the future of meetings. Welcome to Zoom RTMS. We'll take questions now. And thank you for attending. All right, so I'm going to go into our Q&A chat, and we have a couple of questions here. I see there's one that has already been answered, so we're going to skip that one. Kanak asks, what type of audio do we have access through RTMS? Raw audio or something else? There is raw audio available through RTMS. It's L16. We are going to be supporting other audio forms and formats as well, but we're starting with L16. Ramesh asks, please enable chat save option. Okay, I think someone on our team will enable saving chat, and we may also post the questions on in another form later. What was the live deepfake detection company? Someone from the team will answer that in the chat. Is there a plan for Python SDK? Yes, there is a plan for a Python SDK that's going to be available on our GitHub very soon. I believe we'll be sharing the link in the set of resources as well that we share with you. Yeah. What is the pricing of RTMS? Our sales team will engage on that. We haven't published our pricing publicly, so if you're interested in building with us, please do reach out via the landing page that we've shared. All the assets and resources will be shared as well, and please get in touch with us. Let's see here. John asks, can you give an idea of how transcript works when it corrects itself? So I assume you're alluding to the latency of the Zoom provided transcripts. So we do optimize for high performance. So there is a certain degree of accuracy, and the transcript provided to you is the corrected one after Zoom processes it. But I'll also open that to Zach if you want to comment on assembly transcripts there, and anything you can share about how that might work.
Yeah, so the new universal stream model that we just released is incredibly fast. Our emission time latency is around 300 milliseconds. We'll be happy to provide more information after this call as well. If you go to the landing page, I sent in the QR code, and I can also send it in the chat. Happy to discuss further.
Thank you, Zach. Is there a REST API for accessing RTMS streams instead of using an SDK? Question from Bart. We've designed RTMS with a number of APIs. It does include RESTful APIs to start, stop, pause, or resume your stream. It also includes JavaScript APIs if you have a Surface Zoom app that runs within the meeting experience that can then use those JavaScript APIs to start, stop, pause, or resume. So yes, we have APIs for controlling the experience in addition to the UI controls that are present for the user. The stream itself is delivered over WebSocket connections today. We'll be introducing more formats and connection protocols in the future. All right. Well, if there are more questions, you know where to find us. We have a thriving developer forum that is active. We also have a number of links that have been shared as part of the resources section in this webinar. So do get in touch with us. We can't wait to see what you build with RTMS. Thank you.